Oh my god! Today we are playing with a particular guest. Her name is Quinn. So we are going to be playing. What are we playing?
A rather glitchy earthquake simulator.
Say hi first.
Hi.
Okay, very good. Very good then. Very good. No.
Hello, I am under the water. Please save me.
This. This is John.
I'm Johnin.
You Johnin?
I'm Joe Mama.
Oh, my fruits.
Where are your fruits?
It's an earthquake. It's an earthquake.
I have joined.
Hello. Hello.
Oh no, me fruites!
Oh, the TV.
Stand under this thing, it will save you.
Like I can. I'm on top of it.
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do.
What just happened?
I don't know.
Stand underneath.
Oh my god, where am I? I'm on a string from the chandelier.
I don't even see the chandelier.
Where's the chandelier?
Imagine this.
Oh my god, look at the price.
Imagine this thing electrocutes us. Oh, finally it's stopping.
Is it?
It is. See?
Oh, I don't think it is.
Oh, it's stopping.
Oh shit. Let me get on top of here.
Let me go underneath it. Oh, I'm on top.
I'm on top of it.
I just got blown.
Whoa. Oh.
What is happening? Dude.
Help! I just went flying. I'm flying.
I flew. Oh gosh. I'm flying.
He's fluffing around.
What? I'm flying.
It's so glitchy. Hey yo, why you touch me?
I want to get in this corner.
I want to unplug the TV. Oh my god, it just launched me. It launched me. Oh my god, where am I?
You're here.
How do I get out? What's that?
What is that?
Ramsay?
Oh wait, no, that's a plant. That's a plant.
Baked potatoes. I can't open the door.
What is that noise?
I don't know.
I think it's over.
Huh? Is that my notifications?
Oh, is that my phone? Oh, yeah, it is.
No, it played on my tablet.
Oh, well, put it mine as well. Oh, you just flipped that thing.
It was a cheese.
What the hell? Are you trying to touch me? Are you trying to touch me?
No.
You
Oh god. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna try to stay in one spot.
It's not really working though.
I just got launched.
I'm gonna stay in this corner.
Oh, I'm launching everywhere. I'm launching.
I'm gonna stay in this corner.
I'm in another corner now. I started from staying in the middle in this corner. Oh my god. The whole floor is moving. Oh.
I'm not even moving, brother.
Whoa. How's the radiator not detached yet?
Oh no, he's got some superpower. Plot armor, main character, plot armor.
Oh my god.
I just. Oh, how am I moving? I'm not moving right now, bro.
The chair just launched at me.
Oh my god, that TV's. Ah!
I either puked out the chair or it kind of glitched into it.
I know, I just launched the chair. You just launched that.
I'm gonna turn my graphics up to 100.
No. Oh damn, this is so bad.
Whoa.
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 This is so bad. Oh wait, no, I'm not lagging that hard. No, I'm not lagging that hard.
I'm gonna die.